Want to speed up your PC? Learn how to clean your C drive in Windows 11 for a faster experience? Stay tuned. How to remove some files that you don't want from your C disk. To be prices temporary files that your system automatically creates and uses to store data while it runs programs or creates permanent files. However, after you close the program, it does nothing but waste your priceless storage. Additionally, as long as you follow the directions exactly, you won't be removing anything crucial. Thus, locate your Start button, perform a right-click on it, and select Run from the menu to launch the Run box. Alternatively, you may access your Run box directly by using the keyboard shortcut Windows key plus R. Once there, type in temp and click OK to open the temp folder, and it might ask you to grant administrative privileges to access the folder. Just click on OK, and the content on the folder will reveal to you. Now go ahead and select all these files and hit Shift plus Delete keys on your keyboard. Because the temp folder is momentarily formed and being used by certain programs while we're doing it, it can refuse to remove some of the files or directories therein. To remove the remaining files and keep the temporarily used files there, check the box labeled Do this for all current items and click the Skip button. Close the folder now, then open the Run box once more. Type %temp% into the Run box this time, click OK, and another folder will appear. Select everything inside the folder, then press the Shift key plus Delete on your keyboard, select Yes, then click Continue to grant permission for this .action. As we did before, check the boxes Do this for all current items and hit Skip. If there are any currently undeletable files, you can just leave them there. Close the folder, and there you go. That's pretty much you can do here. Take out. This step will walk you through the process of removing any unnecessary or infrequently used software or programs from your computer. These are often installed on your C drive. Therefore, you can free up a lot more space on your C drive by uninstalling those unnecessary programs. And to do that, search for Add or Remove Programs in the Start menu. Clicking on that will take you to the Windows Settings Apps and Features section, where you can see every app or program installed on your Windows 11 system. From there, you can scroll through them to find any rarely used or suspicious programs, and then click the three-dot menu on the side of that particular app or program. Now click Uninstall, which will bring up another pop-up to confirm your choice, so choose Uninstall from there as well. Now your system might ask you for permission to continue the action, so click Yes. If it's an app you have installed from the Microsoft Store, it will get uninstalled from your system at this point. But if it's a software you have installed from outside of the Microsoft Store, like a regular program, it will usually run its own uninstallation wizard, so follow the on-screen instructions and get it done. Now do the same for every other unwanted or rarely using app or program of your choice, and that's all you can do here. Go to your Start menu and search Defragment and Optimize Drives. Click on the result, and you will get to this window. Make sure to select your C drive from here. You might notice that my C drive partition is of an SSD, and I'm still doing this. It is possible to do this to a solid-state drive, but it won't gonna bring any potential benefits doing so. I'm only doing this for the sake of demonstration. Anyway, once you selected the drive, click on Optimize, and it will get your C drive optimized. It may take a long time to defragment and optimize a regular hard drive, depending on how much data you have got there. So, be patient and give it the time it needs. Go to your Start menu and search Defragment and Optimize Drives. Click on the result, and you will get to this window. Make sure to select your C drive from here. You might notice that my C drive partition is of an SSD. And I'm still doing this. It is possible to do this to a solid-state drive, but it won't gonna bring any potential benefits doing so. I'm only doing this for the sake of demonstration. Anyway, once you selected the drive, click on Optimize, and it will get your C drive optimized. It may take a long time to defragment and optimize a regular hard drive, depending on how much data you have got there. So, be patient and give it the time it needs. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.